Today I'll be showing you how to find the domain of a radical function. So here we're going to take the radical 6x minus 12, and it cannot be less than 0. So you're going to take 6x minus 12 and make it greater than or equal to 0. And you'll solve for x, so you'll add 12 on both sides. You'll drop down to 6x in the sign, and then 12. And then you divide both sides by 6. You'll get x is greater than or equal to 2. Then if you were to write this in interval notation, you will write 2, comma, infinity. Because x is going to be either equal to or greater than 2. So we start at 2, so you put a bracket, and it'll go on to infinity, the parenthesis. That is how to find the domain of a radical function. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.